I mean, gains tend to get gains in general. We looked at all the 4-month, top 20, 4-month gains, and it does front load. It takes a bit away from it, but there's still gains throughout the rest of the year. Worst 6 months, as you might imagine, well, a bit weaker, but you see the remaining 8 months, about 6.5%, 5%. Nasdaq's got a little bit more, so it's not a bad thing that we're up that much. I mean, we had the January indicators that were all positive. We're in a pre-election year. It's May. It's time for a little bit of a pause.
Do you feel like there should be an asterisk in front of this 4-month performance only because it simply erased the losses that we saw in the fourth quarter?
I don't think so. It's a very common thing to see those sort of waterfall declines get replaced, taken back very quickly. We've had put studies out there about that as well. So not surprising. The selling was pretty heavy back there in December. And if you have seen that kind of thing before, as we did, we were patient. We held our best 6 months trades without a stop, so we don't get whipsawed through those kinds of things.
But it is unusual to have basically the lows almost to the day coincide with the end of one year and then the start of another. I mean, it just happens to place the rebound at exactly the time when the calendar flipped.
Very uncommon to have the low and the high or high at the beginning or end of years, but even though people want year-end targets and all that stuff. So yeah, normally we get that sort of correction in the midterm year earlier. October's a pretty common area, but we did have a weakness in December's. I mean, remember 74? We had the Dow bottom in December 74, but so close to the year. Thank God for Santa Claus. We came in, we had that usual year-end rally, and we had a good. We're in the sweet spot of the 4-year cycle. We had a good, Q1 and sort of beginning of Q2, so remains to be seen here.